Sahih Al-Bukhari 3391, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi said, while Job was naked, taking a bath, a swarm of gold locusts fell on him and he started collecting them in his garment. His Lord called him, O Job, have I not made you rich enough to need what you see? He said, yes, O Lord, but I cannot dispense with your blessing. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3392, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha. While his heart was beating rapidly, she took him to Warqa bin Nawfal radiyallahu ta'ala anha, who was a Christian convert and used to read the Gospels in Arabic. Warqa asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what do you see? When he told him, Warqa said, that is the same angel who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent to the Prophet Musa. Should I live till you receive the divine message, I will support you strongly. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3393, narrated Malik bin Sasa radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam talked to his companions about his night journey to the heavens. When he reached the fifth heaven, he met Arun. Jibreel alayhi salam said to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, this is Arun. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Jibreel alayhi salam greeted, and so did I. And he returned the greeting saying, welcome, O pious brother and pious Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3394, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, on the night of my ascension to heaven, I saw the Prophet Musa, who was a thin person with lank hair, looking like one of the men of the tribe of Shanoah, and I saw Jesus, who was of average height, with red face as if he had just come out of a bathroom, and I resembled Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam more than any of his offspring does. Then I was given two cups, one containing milk and the other wine. Jibreel alayhi salam said, drink whichever you like. I took the milk and drank it. Jibreel alayhi salam said, you have accepted what is natural, true religion, i.e. Islam, and if you had taken the wine, your follower would have gone astray. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3395, 3396, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, one should not say that I am better than Junah, i.e. Yunus bin Mata radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So he mentioned his father Mata. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam mentioned the night of his ascension and said, the Prophet Musa was born a tall person as if from the people of the tribe of Shanoah. Jesus was curly haired man of moderate height. He also mentioned Malik, the gatekeeper of the hellfire, and Ad-Dajjal. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.